Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be channeling some messages right in front of you. I have not planned or taken any cards out, so it will be done right in front of you. I'm channeling someone who is feeling kind of left out, or I feel the energy that I get is like, maybe in your own house you feel things could have been better, you could have been more supported, but there is a feeling of not exactly feeling very supported, or maybe like living out in the cold sort of a thing. So anyways, all the details that I will be telling you will be channeled right in front of you, and I feel that even though you have not been very supported by probably your family or some people that you counted on, and you thought that those people will be there for you like you have always been there for them, but that did not happen, so you felt very betrayed and left out in the cold. But the good news here is you are going to have a huge opening, like a situation that is going to completely turn things in your favor, and you will be experiencing a new beginning. You'll have a new home. I'm hearing something related to a relocation, so while I'm speaking I'm channeling all the messages, so I'm not seeing any right now. I'm not seeing any cards also. First I'm channeling the messages, and then with the tarot cards I'm going to be showing you what the cards are saying, so we can you know check. Um so something related to your future that had been promised to you by universe. So universe has like really made sure that you have always been taken care of. Like even in the worst of things, you have always come out of it, and you could always somehow feel like you've been very chosen, and you are a chosen one. So universe will always has always shown you in the past also that universe never left you in the cold. Like a lot of times people might have expected that you will fail, or you will not have any support, or you are going to be over, in terms of things, like you will just be put in your own place, which is not so good according to them. Now the thing is, your light that you carry, the light that you carry is very bright, and it is not meant to be dimmed. So universe is going to make sure that you are having all of those things in your environment, in your surrounding, in your mental emotions, emotional health in your life, so that you can give out what you are meant to give. And you are going to give out so much peace, and you're going to give out so much. You'll do so good, just like, for example, when you're feeling very hot, what does the AC do? It makes you feel very cool and chill, right? Like the water gives you the feeling of content. That kind of feeling, you can think like you are going to be somebody who is going to just do that. People will really cherish you, and that light in you was supposedly some people expected to dim that, but that is not going to happen. So with the cards, I'm seeing that from that Five of Pentacles energy, where you were, when you needed support and you expected the people who are actually going to support you, I'm really hearing that you felt betrayed by your own people you counted on, or some, it can be a person, it can be your family, it can be your close ones, or job situation or your workplace situation, where you thought that you would be supported much more than that because of what you deserved, but you had been left out in the cold. But now you're going to be having a new beginning in your journey, and this journey is with the Fool is showing that you're going to be propelled in the future, and a future version of you is unfolding right now. I'm hearing that you are in a transitional phase. Okay, this is a transitional phase, and you will be moving into a completely new set of reality where things will just completely be much more amazing than you can even imagine of right now. So save this video, keep it in your thing, because I'm telling you right now, and my words always come true. So when it happens, you know that I told you. My name is Angelica, and this video is sponsored by the Starlay is an intuitive app, and Starlay is a wonderful app where you can go ask your any questions related to your love life, your career, whatever your mind is asking, and you are going to get guided answers with tarot and with astrology, and it is going to give you so much clarity. Okay, so anyways, what I'm trying to tell you here is you are going to be shocking a lot of people. You are going to be the people who had left you out in the cold, people who thought that you will fall and you will break and you are going to be, you know, out in the cold and not have enough resources for yourself. So you live, maybe they expected you to live like a mediocre life, but universe has different plans for you. So universe is going to take you to the Nine of Pentacles energy. So I tell you what I'm clearly understanding from the story is you and your partner, Two of Cups, somebody in your life is going to build a beautiful life with you. Okay, somebody, if you're married, then it's your husband. If you are in a relationship, maybe it's your partner. And if you're not in a relationship and you're looking for someone, then that someone is coming in your life who's going to completely transform your life, with whom you will enjoy so much of partnership. Okay, I'm just trying to look little presentable on the camera. So someone with whom you will feel so much peace and so much beauty in your journey, and they will completely transform your life and move you into the King of Wands energy. King of Wands here is showing you'll have so much power. Okay, because of your independence, you will gain financial independence, and you will also gain um, independence to choose where you live, how you live, what is the lifestyle that I'm seeing for you is amazing. You'll be going to places, you'll be having that dream lifestyle. Now the thing is, probably in the past you have been just left out in the cold, because some people thought that, you know, people you counted on, they thought that if they don't support you or they don't give you what you deserve, you will be just. But you must have seen time and again, universe has shown you that you always come up, and you always come up bigger every single time. So that's exactly what is going to happen for you, and what is unfolding for you is so beautiful. Now let's see some more cards for you. What is the current energy for my divine family? What is the current energy for my divine family? Right, Five of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So the current energy that I'm hearing for you guys is there are certain ego battles going on. There are certain people who probably are playing some ego games with you, or your kindness is sometimes mistaken as weakness, which should definitely not be taken as weakness, but somehow because you are harmless, because you are not a very not a person who picks up fights or is disrespectful, so that is like somehow taken in a way to project you as someone weak, somebody who can be bullied, or somebody who can be you know, you can be cross boundaries with. So there is a Five of Swords energy here, which is definitely showing that a lot of you might be feeling hurt in certain aspects of your life, in certain emotions, where there is this weird ego thing that's going on. Okay, now I also see that you are focused on building a generational wealth. Whatever you are doing right now, it's creating a long-term base, a long-term foundation, and you are focused on creating the Ten of Pentacles, which is a happy, healthy family dynamics. That's what you're focused on. Now let's see what is the current energy of your partner. What's the current energy of your partner? What's the current energy of your partner? Ace of Sword and the High Priestess. Wow, this is so powerful. So I hear that your partner is someone who is very intuitive. He, if you are a woman, then your partner has a lot of intuitive powers. He analyzes things, he understands things in a very deep aspect, things which are not spoken, under currents, under energies, you know, he sees through things. So you can be very you sometimes you can be very ashamed of the fact that some people do not understand how deeply your partner understands things. but the fact of the matter is he or she, your partner, has a very deep intuitive sense, so they are really guided by intuition and they really see through things, okay, which is why they have got the Ace of Swords, so they are seeing things very clearly. So I'm hearing that in the current dynamics, maybe where there are people who are playing some Five of Swords energy with you, which is making you feel like lower than what you should be treated as, or trying to play some ego games with you, any of those things, and you have not been retaliating, or you have not been saying anything, or you have not been like speaking rudely, or you have been very kind, so your partner sees that and they are getting complete clarity from the situation. Now let's see what is coming up in your future. What's coming up in your future? Oh my god. Wow. Again, the Five of Pentacles. So the thing is, the feeling of feeling lonely, that lonely feeling, not having enough or not being supported, that feeling is getting it is like you're getting out of that phase, because with the world, that cycle is completing and you are stepping as the Queen of Cups. Now you are expecting things to flow to you, and things are eventually coming towards you. Only don't let the Eight of Swords energy affect you. Like, don't think that you are going to get stuck, and any kind of fears that you have is mental. So yeah, I see 11:11 on the clock. Any kind of emotions, if you feel like I'll not be able to get out of this and all of that, it's just a mental sort of energy, like it's a mental blockage. So don't let that overpower you. Just 1 second. Cards fell down. Do you see this? This is the Five of Wands and the Eight of Wands. Now let me tell you very clearly what's happening. This is huge. So if you thought that if you thought that things are going to be stuck, or you are stuck, or there is a stuck energy somehow, it's all a mental thing that you are having, okay? It's not real, because your mind is playing games and your mind is imagining things and overthinking things and probably creating such a scenario where you're feeling this way. But actually what is happening is, there are people who are secretly very competitive with you and secretly have a lot of jealousy energy, if you can say, because otherwise why will someone have the Five of Wands for you, right? Like Five of Wands and the Five of Swords, these cards come when there are people who are secretly competitive with you, and maybe you are intuitively aware about it, and or maybe you are not intuitively aware about it because you do not understand the mindset of a lot of people. But as a person who deeply studies energy, I can tell you for sure there are people around you who are quite jealous of you. That's a fact. And but the thing is, what universe is giving to you is coming as a flow. You see this, it's Eight of Wands and it's coming very quickly for you. So no matter who feels what, jealousy and all those things will not stop it, because it's coming like a huge flow towards you, just like this. So the material abundance that is meant to enter into your life, it's coming as a flow and it's coming quickly. So I'm hearing some kind of a relocation which might happen, or some venture that you are starting, or some business that you'll be doing. It will give you immense amount of success, and you will be having so much abundance, and it's coming very quickly. So what else is coming for my future, my divine family's future? Oh my god. See, this is like a repeating theme. When you give away the concept of being left out or being abandoned, when you just give away that thought, when you just take the risk, you will realize that you will step from the Five of Pentacles to the Nine of Pentacles. So you are being asked to take a step forward, where if you have felt that you have been left out in the cold, without resources, without help by the people who you trusted the most, if you just let go of that thing and you step ahead with the Fool's energy, take the risk and take a plunge, and you move ahead by trusting the faith, the divine energy, you will step into the Nine of Pentacles, which will be so much abundance for you. And this is the judgment of the universe. This is the judgment of the universe, because universe has seen how honestly you have been working, how meticulously you have been planning things and working continuously. So all of those things are going to be definitely paid, because your hard work never goes waste. Let's see what you should focus on right now. Wow, the sun. So you are meant to focus on keeping your energy high and being in environment which does not drain you. In environments where you're feeling drained, or you're feeling that energy is getting drained, or you're not feeling your best, then those environments should be avoided, and you should be in such environments where your inner spark is glowing and you feeling very happy. So anything that is reducing your happiness, you should stay away from such things, and you should completely make sure that your happiness is your first priority, because if you're not happy, then your vibration will be low. Once your vibration is low, you cannot manifest things, or things start becoming slow. So what should you avoid right now? You should avoid the cards are justice and the ace of wand. So what you should avoid is being this person who wants to be fair in different situations and to different people, but not having the courage to be fair to yourself or to your partner. So don't be that. Don't be a person who is blinded, or who is not able to do justice to yourself. So if you know that something is wrong, then you are asked to take a step forward for it. Otherwise, the ace of wands, the new beginning won't happen. The new beginning will happen when you take the bold step for taking an action. So that is what is coming for you. So this is your message. What else? Wow. So when you choose your love, your partner that you are with, he or she has very beautiful thoughts about you, and they have always had such nostalgic memories with you. They feel at peace and at home when it comes to you. So with them, I see a lot of things will be growing. A beautiful home will be growing, and I also hear children of your own will be there. So you will also have children of your own, and that will be so beautiful, because just one second, let me see. Let's see one more message from my collective. Yeah. So someone is trying to tie you with fear. Someone is trying to with the devil. Someone is trying to keep you trapped and tied with fear and something. So you're supposed to let go of that. Once you let go of that, you will see a lot of growth, maybe in terms of babies, in terms of a beautiful life forward. So you are asked to take a very clear decision with the King of Swords in order to move forward, and with that you will get the Nine of Swords, which the Nine of Pentacles, which is the independence. But make sure that you see through any of the Seven of Swords energy, which is if someone is hiding something or has some manipulative strategies behind you. So make sure that that doesn't happen. Angel guidance for you. Wow, abundance. So this is what is coming for you. So with the abundance card, I would like to read you what it is trying to tell you. The abundance card: everything is blossoming in life. Open yourself to receive abundance, fulfillment, and prosperity. This is ready to be activated in your life. Life desires you to prosper. You're moving towards an outpouring of money, energy, time, or love. Opportunities are limitless. However, you must take action in the direction of your dreams. So that's what is coming with the Eight of Swords. If you're feeling trapped and if you're overthinking things, then you will not be able to take the action. So don't think that it's just in your mind. You are asked to take the action forward, and don't wait for abundance to just fall onto your lap, right? You must take the action in the direction of your dreams. Take steps, give deeply and fully, don't hold back, okay? And that's what has come with the Justice card also. You have to do justice to yourself, to your partner. If you're in a relationship, to your relationship. If you hold back, then that will not come for you. So this card reveals that this is a great time to make investments. The more you give with a free and open heart, the more you will receive. Be grateful for what you already have, and even more will flow to you. So this is a beautiful, wonderful message that's coming up for you. And let's take one more angel guidance message for you. security action. See, you'll be able to make a beautiful secure future only if you take action today. If you do not take the required action, then that security that you want for yourself will not happen. So if you feel like you're trapped somewhere and if you're not making the right moves, then you are just delaying things. What you are safe and protected no matter what is occurring in your life. So those in the realm of spirit are watching over you. You can relax and let go once you have taken measures to protect yourself and those you love, such as measures making sure everyone has their seatbelt on in the car, make sure your insurance is paid on time, or replacing the filter on your heating unit. Then let go. If you have been hyper vigilant lately, take a break, relax, know that all is well. You can turn it all over to the creator. So do not take extra stress about things. I have told you, maybe you are in a place where there's a lot of five of wands and five of swords energy, a lot of ego battles, a lot of things going on like that. So do not worry about those things. You are safe. Just move it and you know pass it on to the creator, to the universe, any stress that you have, and you will be taken care of. Bottom of the deck with the action card, it is saying that a shift is coming. So I told you that you'll be moving into a new place, a new shift is coming. The time is now. Don't hesitate, face your fear, do it anyway. When big change is on the horizon, it's time to take action. Of course there are times to deliberate and carefully consider the next step, but not now. Now is the time to take immediate action. Look forward with a calm, steely gaze, and then forge ahead with clarity, determination, power, and grace. Quicken your spirit by making decisions now. Even if you're not 100% um, certain of your decision right now, it's better to make a choice right now than none at all. So that's what it's coming again with the Eight of Swords energy. You might be having fear, overthinking, what if this goes wrong, what if that goes wrong, what if this doesn't happen. So know that this is your mind playing games with you so that you are stuck, but you have to take the action. Spirit is guiding you to take an action right now, because when you take the action you will be moving towards the Nine of Pentacles, freedom, and a lot of stability energy. But if you don't take the action, then you will be stuck in the Five of Wands energy, where there are hidden enemies and hidden competition which you are have to deal with right now. Okay, so I hope that you've got clarity in my messages, and I make content on giving you guidance on occult sciences on Instagram and on YouTube. So please follow Starlay on Instagram. Starlay is a beautiful intuitive app where you can just go write your questions, and every day, anytime, you can just check and you will get the guidance deliberately. You can you know take right actions, okay, and you will be really really very happy with the outcomes. And please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. Sending you a lot of love. When you make energy exchange, karma is real. Bye.